Okay, today we're going to learn how to thread film on a Keystone 60 8mm camera. Get the plug out of the way. This is very old. My dad used to film us kids as we were growing up. There's no sound to them, but it's fun to look at the memories from way back when. So, most 8mm are on these little spools. It's got this configuration in the middle that matches up here. This piece right here can go into any one of those holes. And you always want to make sure that the film is on the opposite side of the mechanism. That's how it's threaded. So it goes in here, and you want to have enough film out so that you can put it all the way through. So the first thing you do is these little teeth have to catch on the sprockets here. So it's firm in there. Then you need a loop. You can see, if you can see right here, there's a little loop, a guide to show you where to put, how high you want the film. Otherwise it'll just tighten and won't play. Doesn't matter if it's a little longer, but you don't want it short. And then you lift this mechanism to put the film inside, and it'll hook again. And then we do the same thing down here. We need a loop. So what you do to end all this process, to get it started, is you need an empty spool, and you put it on the same way as you put on the film. So there we go. And you take the film. You want to make sure that it's not on rewind. So rewind has got to be up. That's for the end of the film. Anyway, find one of these slots, feed the film into there, and then you just wind this up till your film is tightened. And then you hit play, which is down here. And it'll start threading the film through and collecting it down here. And you get to watch a movie. Two other features that you can use during the film. We have a focus here, and we also have an elevation because back in the day you had movie screens, and it wasn't shown on a TV screen, so you could lower or bring it up to make sure that it fit on your screen. When the film is done, and we'll just go ahead and undo this and keep it kind of tight as we go. And we'll unhook it here, loosen it up a little bit. Oops. Normally you won't have that problem because your film will be all the way played out. And then you just bring it up here, and there's a rewind button that you push down, and then you would just start it again. You wouldn't need the lamp, because over here is the lamp, but you'd only need to go to the motor, and it'll rewind.